Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel Agriculture Makes Strong. Today let us discuss about the books which are recommended for the SRF, ARS, NET Agronomy and some of the important exams. These are some of the important exams as related to the agriculture, agronomy, and we will see some of the books. And please check out the video and do not skip the video for the important information. In this video, I am going to cover some of the recommended books for the preparation of SRF, ARS, SRB, NET, Agronomy, and there are three chapters for the preparation. First one is we will see about some of the general agriculture books and current affairs, new visual publications should be prepared for the general purpose of the agriculture. And coming to the second point, we should prepare theory and practical books of agriculture and some of the important objective books for the practical purpose of the object, and we should read some of the soil science books and agri-chemicals, and we should follow some of the websites for the preparation of SRF, ARS and ASRB net agronomy. Let us see what are the books and what are the important points should be noted. For any competitive exam of the agriculture, the basic book is a competitive book of agriculture by Nimra Sunda. This is the general agriculture book, and you will see some of the key points and bullet points of the agriculture, and it will be very useful for the competitive exams. This book is very important. First, you should cover the general agriculture book by Nimra Sunda. Second is Fundamentals of Agriculture Volume 1 and Volume 2 of Arun Kottayyan. It gives the basic agriculture points and in detail of the agriculture, what are the processes and related to the agronomy, horticulture, entomology, plant pathology, genetics and plant breeding and soil science. You can see some of the main processes and some of the important structures of the agriculture will be given in these books, and it will be very important and useful for the examinations of any competitive exams. These are the two general agriculture books. And agriculture current affairs by New Visual Publications. For the current affairs, you should follow the New Visual Publications recent 2021 or 2022 for the examination purpose. And you should cover first of all, you should have the base for the competitive exams. You should follow the general agriculture book by the Nimra Sunda and Fundamentals of Agriculture Volume 1 and Volume 2. You should prepare thoroughly for the exam. Some of the theory books related to the agronomy which are useful for the SRF, ARS, NET exams. It will be like Principles of Agronomy, which is given by the Yellamanda Reddy and G.H. Shankara Reddy. And please check out the Principles of Agronomy, which is given by S.R. Reddy, and it will be basics for the agronomy purpose. And some of the agronomy field crops books which is given by the S.R. Reddy. Here is the book of Field Crops Production by Rajendra Prasad, Introductory Soil Science by Dilip Kumar Das. Some of the books which are related to agronomy, which is most important, like irrigation agronomy, which is given by the SR Reddy and the GK Reddy, and agronomy at the glance, which is given by Ashish Chaurashia and Durgesh Singh, and the comprehensive agronomy, Subhashia Praharaj, and some of the objective books related to the agronomy or concise agronomy, which is given by the C.R. Kantwa and S.R. Kantwa, Piyush Saras, and you should refer the objective book, agronomy book by which is given by Baby Singh, and also objective agronomy by Talaiva Prakash and Tava Prakash, agronomy treatise by P.D. Chaudhary, R.S. Bana. You should also refer the objective agronomy which is given by the R.L. Arya, and also the Principles of Pesticide Chemistry, S.K. Handa, and the textbook of agriculture statistics which is given by the Rangaswamy, and also books related to the wheat science like B.K. Das, Field Crops by Rajendra Prasad, Agri Statistics. Here you can see that Rangaswamy, and some of the terminologies related to agronomy should also be referred, and some of the society books also, like soil fertility, nutrient management, climate resilient agronomy, modern concepts of agronomy, and we should follow all the chapters, and also you should solve the objective of the related to the every chapter of these books. And also some of the websites like Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for the current affairs should be followed. These are some of the books which are important and recommended for the SRF, ARS and NET examinations. Please do follow this all the books and prepare well for the exam. All the best.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click bell icon.